Yeah. Oh, I'm here, but I see the thing still fresh. The thing just come off of the boat, bad man. Why you
A Jimmy apart from dog.
No, dog. Oh, I'm gonna treat new car, dog. Sorry, yeah.
Sorry, dog. I'm strong, dog. The whips have a vibe still, you know.
Yeah, dog. You know, say a Kairos me use. It's an importation place. You see them import cars and them things. You see them bad. Check them out on the gram. Them name Kairos Automobile on the gram, dog. You see me?
For real?
Dog, trust me, no, dog.
Trust your J.
Me, no. You see? If you do a reference,
Yeah.
if you refer somebody to it,
Yeah.
10K, dog, right off the bat.
Yeah.
And they have a cricket, dog. How I'm here, dog.
Dog, for real?
What you mean?
So what you know? Beto time, no? They a beat a fight, man.
A juice! A juice!
Just round the road,
No,
brother.
that, you see, that, every time I found you piss me off, you know what?
Ha, boy.
Dog. Don't let me do it.
Shorty a little patty. She my little boo thing.
And Shorty got the fatty. Shorty be catching mood swings.
Yeah? Take in front to him. Yeah, man. Yo, so this is heavy, bro.
You want to say I just me closing the few week, you know. Yeah, man, I couldn't bring nothing at all. I just close.
Your clothes?
Yeah.
So you don't bring nothing for me?
No.
Oh.
Soft right now.
What you know? No carbolic?
No carbolic.
No spring?
Cause no spring.
No white shot?
No, cause
No dove?
no.
Yeah, what? German's place. West Village, Mantigo Bay.
All that.
It's an Airbnb, man. 2-bedroom. You can book that and get me a girl. If you got the front room now work.
The front room, you just tell me about me can stay now.
Yeah. If you got, you know work. But you can find them on all Instagram to see you can link them on Instagram and ask them how much and further
This
details.
is German's place now.
Germans, yeah man, cause the front room and the next room on the back,
Yeah.
flood out. You see, room when you sleep in there, no bed no in there. More make you sleep on ground.
So where you sleep, cause?
Germans place.
Okay, later. May I ask? Alright. Let me say to you, know. What I talk about? Hold on, later. Me talk to you. Dino.
Brendan, what listen to me there?
How I go? I'm to your shoes, brother.
Eh?
Where's your
My
shoes?
shoes in your box, man.
So what you know about your shoes?
Lock that box.
Yo, how are this, brother? This clean.
Yeah man.
This clean, yo.
You know, say a shoes plug me get it from the shoes plug. If you want your elbow, you can get your elbow pan. You want your face pan, you can get your face pan. You want your toe pan, you can get your toe. And them, a souvenir. Lock that box. Lock that box. Lock that. If you want when you go a shoes plug, brother, DM them on Instagram. The underscore plug underscore no shoes underscore plug.
Yo.
I'm good man.
You and I power in a brother. Yeah. Emotion. Yeah. Daydream. Yeah. Conflict. Yeah. One them out, one them black. Brawling. Yes, man.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, call film name and film name. You must say me right on name, man. Call my name in the front, the middle, and the last part. Try.
Yo, Dino. Emotion.
Sorry, boss.
Yo, Daydream.
Yeah.
Run up there.
Yeah.
What we are do?
Yeah.
Dino. What we are do?
Yeah.
Dino.
Dino.
You just a go up from the yard chop
Chop like that.
Dino.
Dino.
See the man gun just wait for the boat. You know we will charge. Me just a go up from the yard
chop like that. Yo, what going, babes?
That's what you know.
That's when you're for your on your friend, my friend.
Am I friend? You know?
Yeah, man. Thank you. Beards! Pasha! We went and turn up! We married turn up now, babe. We find the best makeup artist for your face, Beards.
brother.
I'm going to let you shot. Hey, give me a shot to see there. Hey, you know how I'm doing now. Beards!
Yo.
You know, Marsha, man? We find the best makeup artist for you.
Man, say that the top place.
No, you can't say that. You're electrician, man. Remember that, you know? Makeup by Cass J.A. We find her on Instagram.
Yeah.
Beards! You're going to marry there,
Yo,
face. Beards! Barasha!
Make up you.
Eh.
Left your yard.
Ah.